Okay. Hello. Hi. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. How are you?
I'm also good, ma'am. And how is going on your day?
Yeah, it's going well so far. I have a few more connections today.
Okay.
Yeah, so today you are the first connection I'm meeting you.
Yeah, you are also.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining me. First of all, I would like to say you. And before dive into the session, first of all, I would know about yourself. So could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. I'm Kavita from Tamil Nadu, Chennai. I was working as a teacher before for the past 8 to 9 years, and I was handling computer science and homeroom subjects and also English. At present, I'm taking online sessions for phonics and coming to my hobby, I would love to cook, bake, and do art and crafts and painting. That's a very brief introduction about me.
Yeah, it's lovely introduction. Thank you so much, ma'am, giving me your precious time. Okay. So now, ma'am, I want to tell about myself. So my name is Mamta Kumar. I have completed my master degree in organic chemistry. After that, I have also completed my BEd degree. Along with I qualified CTET examination. And I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. My hobby is spending time with the family members and playing some games like badminton and carom. And I love to dance. And nowadays, I am running a small YouTube channel that name is Mamtaz Mighty. That's it all about me. Thank you so much, sir.
That's a great introduction about you. Lovely to know about you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have anything to ask me, or shall we go with random topics?
Okay, ma'am. So I want to ask you first of all, like you told me, like I'm a teacher. So, like, do you teach in English medium school?
Yes, CBC schools.
Okay, and like you completed your all degrees in English, I think.
English medium.
English
Yeah.
literature you completed. Okay, ma'am.
No, 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 no. Not English literature. It was in computer science,
It
but
was computer
I
science.
personally I learned English and I started teaching English.
Okay, okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, like, did you face any struggle while learning English?
Yes, of course, I faced a lot of struggles to learn English, to remember the words, to use the proper grammar in our sentences. Yes, it was a bit trouble in the beginning, but now I'm facing okay.
So, still, are you facing some challenges to take the English language? Like,
Sometimes I'm not getting the proper word, sometimes maybe. But usually I get the trouble of fillers.
okay, pillars you are using still.
Yeah.
Yeah. So likewise, I'm also facing this type of problem sometimes, and like sometimes like I don't have confidence because sometimes like I'm doing lots of I'm making mistake a lot. That time like my confidence decrease automatically. So it's happened with me also. Like we are not able
Mm.
to construct proper sentences. So
Yeah.
yeah, but gradually I am improving. Definitely, I will be improved within few months.
Yeah.
I'm working on it.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. So, which part did you face more struggle in English speaking? Making
As I
sentences,
said,
catching
yeah, yeah.
words.
Making sentences was not that much trouble, but while picking the words, the vocabulary part was the bit trouble I faced. But gradually it increased because of listening more and reading more.
Okay. So this part is helping you alone. Reading part and listening part. You want to say like this.
Yeah, yeah. I have the habit of watching movies and series in English. So I have watched a lot of movies. So in that I pick a lot of words, but I don't know whether I'm using or not. But later on I come to know that yes, I'm also using that.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes it's happened with us. Like we watch movies, English movies, but we don't use that word in our like in speaking. But
Mm-mm.
gradually we started using, and we don't have any idea. Like we started using those words because sometimes it's happened with me also. Like gradually, I started speaking, and those words I started using. So automatically it will comes over tongue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree.
So, ma'am, what's your native language?
My native language is Tamil. As I am from Tamil Nadu, I'm very comfortable with Tamil language.
Tamil language. So, how many languages do you know? May I ask you?
Not much, just two. And sometimes in some words, I can understand Hindi, but not much.
Not much. Okay. So it's
Yeah.
I think like the same like us, you have to face a struggle. I think because like our mother tongue is different, and we are going to school, college. That time our language different. So
Yes.
now we are speaking different language. So likewise,
Yeah.
that situation it happened with you also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So do you have any questions? So you can ask me, ma'am.
Yes, I didn't prepare any questions today, so we could go with the favorites.
Okay, favorite. Okay, so what do you?
Yeah, let's talk about our favorites and why do we like it like that? We could go.
Okay, you want
Yeah. So what's your favorite food?
food? I like
Favorite food?
pizza.
Pasta?
Pizza.
Okay. I would love to pizza. Okay, pizza. Okay. So I would love to have most of the time our South Indian meals
South
and
Indian.
also the South Indian
Yes,
breakfast. Yeah,
biryani,
idli,
dosa, idli.
dosa,
Yeah,
well,
yeah.
yeah,
So like
yeah.
most of the time, I prepare also everything like
We
idli.
are addicted to that.
Mhm.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Sometimes, ma'am, your video is stuck in. Okay, now it's okay.
Yes, yes, I understand. I don't know why, because here the weather is not good today.
Yeah, because of weather. Nowadays, it's happening with us.
Yeah, here the weather is not good today.
Okay, ma'am. So
Yeah.
pizza is
Okay.
okay, and like I can prepare pizza and idli, dosa, and biryani, everything like related to whatever I like. So this type of dishes I can prepare.
Okay. So do you like the home food or the outside food?
Ma'am,
What do you prefer most?
both food, like both the things I like whenever I'm going outside. So like I prefer to eat outside food, but not that much. But rarely, like in a 1 month, I prefer one time, one or rarely 2 times outside food. But most of the time, I prefer to eat at home because like
Mm-mm.
we can prepare. So that's why like I like to eat homemade food alone.
Okay. What is the one recipe that you prepare all the time nicely and tastily?
Every day we prepare vegetable plus chapati. All my
Okay.
family prefer. Like they are not feeling fed up. Like if we are eating every day chapati and vegetable with buttermilk, it should be necessary. And a curd. So we eat this type of dishes every day.
Mm.
But like we are not eating idli, dosa, burger, this type of things. We
Yeah,
don't eat.
I know, I know.
Like your South Indian.
How would you prepare? Could you tell me that how would you prepare the chapati as you are preparing the chapati every day? What is the consistency? Like, what is the ratio of the flour and the water level, and what do you add in that to make the chapati soft?
Chapati, like I don't have good vocab to take like how we make chapati, but little bit I can explain you. Like we have
Yeah.
to take flour firstly.
Mm.
After then, like we have to stir. After then, we have to include salt, pouring water. According to like dough, and after then we have to knead dough, and after then we have to roll on the. I don't know what we will say. Round.
Rolling pin.
Yeah. After then, like I bake on the pan. Yeah.
Okay.
After then, I prepare this type of thing. Because like I don't have good vocab to, related to kitchen, so that's why I'm not able to explain you.
Okay, I understand. Okay, no issues. Okay, what's your favorite color?
Color, ma'am, black color. I like.
Okay. So why do you like black? How about the color? Like, if your family is like not accepting the color, what do you feel? Because most of the time, our side, I mean, our family members don't accept the black color to wear in some celebration and festivals.
Yes. You are saying correct. Like I can't wear at home also. Like if I'm living with my grandmother doesn't allow to wear black color. Like she started
Okay.
scolding me if I am wearing. She started saying me like, why are you wearing this type of color? You don't have like red color, yellow color. You should wear this type of color. She started scolding. But so that's why like if I am living with my grandmother, I don't wear. And if I'm living
Mm,
with my mother-in-law, she can
mm.
understand. Like she is not saying me like you should not do and this. Like she understand like according to us. Like nowadays,
You
like
you
all
are a gifted daughter-in-law then.
yeah,
You are a gifted daughter-in-law then.
yeah. So that's why according to like she is old. My grandmother she is old, so that's why she is the thinking is the old thing. She is
Mm.
old thinking. So we can't change their mindset.
Okay.
So according to situation, according to scenario, I
Okay.
I wear clothes.
Yeah.
Again, your video is stuck. Okay, now it's okay.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, so my favorite colors, most of the time it's getting stuck. I understand. Yes, I'm having the glitches.
Okay, now it's okay.
Okay, so my favorite colors. Yes, we need to do a lot of editing in this video, I think.
Okay, ma'am, you carry on. Now it's
Yeah. So my favorite color is most of the time lavender, sky blue, baby pink. So I usually prefer the light colors, but most of the time the dark colors would suit us when we wear a dress.
ma'am. Sometimes it's happened with us. Like if we are purchasing something cloth, or so that time if we are wearing any cloth and that clothes are suits on you, so we prefer like that time we don't think about colors.
Okay. So what about your favorite book? Have you ever, yeah,
No, ma'am, I
book.
don't read any type of books. Only sometimes I try to read story books. Whenever like
Okay.
I'm feeling like I should read something related to English content. So that's that time like sometimes I read my subject book, sometimes like a English stories book. But I can't say like this book I like the most. I can't say this type. I don't like that much.
Yes, yes, okay, I understand. So what's your favorite subject and why do you like this subject?
Ma'am, nowadays like I started curiosity increase in English subject. Before like because
Mm,
it's some if we are studying any subject, suppose we are studying math subject, bio subject, chemistry, whatever we are studying, so we started creating interest on that subject. But
mm,
if we stopped that subject, so we started losing confidence and we started losing our interest. We don't want to
mm,
study that books so that's why I can't say like those books are I have interest in those books. But nowadays
mm.
like I am creating English subject, I am creating interest in English subject, so I can say like English subject is good nowadays for me.
Okay. So what are the methods that you are following for increasing your English fluency?
Every day I'm talking,
Yes.
and one thing I'm doing every day, whenever I got free time, I started listening, and reading and writing part rarely I do. And
Okay.
watching some of related to English content, sometimes podcast, English conversation video, Priyanka Chopra's videos, because she motivates to us. So like I like to listen her videos, and Muniba Majari also she is giving confidence to us, and sometimes I go on stories. So stories
Mm-mm.
also we can. This is our favorite. We like a curiosity. It's increase if we are watching any story. It automatically our minds wants to catch lots of things related to story. Okay.
Yeah. So when we go depressed, then we could get a lot of energy from those videos.
Hmm. Those videos, like if we are losing confidence, like sometimes it's happen we want to give up, like we are not learning English, like where we come to here, we should not should like we should focus our subject. Like sometimes it's comes our mind. So then that time I think I should not think like this. We should go for like continue. We should be continued because
Okay.
like struggle it will come. And I started
Yeah.
watching some related to English content that was related to Muniba Majari and Priyanka Chopra because they give confidence, they give motivation to us. So again, we started doing this type of thing.
Yeah, most of the women are the fans of Muniba Masari and Priyanka Chopra. Yes,
Yeah,
I can relate to
like
that.
we can understand. Like I listen her story, like what
Mhm.
she did, faced struggle in her life, in her own life.
Mm.
So that's why like she can do. So how we can do? I am thinking.
Okay. So, what is the one thing that you still want to improve more for your fluency?
Ma'am, English communication skill I want to improve my a lot because like I want to become a, like I can say, public speaker wherever I am standing. So that time there is no need to think my mind like and fear. I should not have fear, like I can't speak here and there. So that's why I want to become a good speaker in the public place also. Everywhere I
Okay.
want to speak with the confidence, so I want to build my confidence.
Have you ever faced in those kind of situations like before?
When I started my English speaking journey, that time I faced, like one time I faced, like I went to outside. That time some of friends, like that was not my friend, that was my husband's friend. So they started talking to me. So that time, like I was not able to speak little bit. Like I didn't have any idea, like how we can give our introduction, how we can tell like how are you, like those sentences, like how are you, what are you doing. This type of sentence I used to know. So that's why like what I don't know what I didn't know what they asked me that time. So that time I felt embarrassed myself, and I thought like I should go for English speaking. So that situation now may made me to learn this language. They pushed me.
Yeah, sometimes it happens. Some situation induce us to do something better.
Mhm.
Yeah, that happens.
And like if you completed your whole study, after then you want to go for job purpose. So that time without English you can't survive there. You can't join good school, good college, and you
Yeah.
can't gain good money. So English is mandatory if you want to gain something in our life. So we should do.
Okay. So, what do you say? What do you suggest for the beginners? As you have come across to the situation like that, then what do you suggest?
Yeah, I would like to suggest to them, keep patience and learning every day. And there is no need to lose confidence. Initially, if we are going to learn English language, we will make mistake a lot. But there is no need to feel like this. I am making mistake. There is no need to give up. You have to go with the consistency. Like
Mm-mm.
sometimes you should like whatever you are gaining. You want to have interest, like you want to read some storybook, another like a newspaper. So you can go for it. There is no need to like suppose you are suggested me like you should go for a newspaper. I'm not interested. So how can I read? Like so different type of people are mindset, whatever they want to read they can read. And they can learn some vocab because it should be vocab power also necessary.
Yeah, it's okay, fine.
Yeah, I'm outside. So, ma'am, like
Okay.
if they want to gain some vocab, so they can learn this type of vocab like five six vocab. Only they can observe. There is no need to mug up. Like I have to mug up those vocab. They can only observe whatever we have interest 5, 10 vocab
Yeah.
type of thing they can
Yeah. Understanding the concept is better than mugging up, right?
do.
Okay. So, what is the last travel that you did and where?
Ma'am, I went day before yesterday. I went with my husband and my sister-in-laws. We went for movie. Welcome to Jungle movie. So we watched, we enjoyed, we have eaten some food there, and we drank some of drinks. Like we enjoyed ice cream. So it was interesting for us, and we traveled.
Okay. So, is that long distance or short
No, no,
distance
it
from
was
your
not
home?
long distance. Like we spent around 4, 5 hours with us. Hmm.
Okay. So, what is the long travel you did lastly?
Long travel, ma'am. like South India also I have visited. And
Oh, wow.
yes, ma'am, because of South India, I'm learning English, I can say. So there
Okay.
are faced with this type of issue. Before going to South India, I didn't have any idea like English is that much mandatory. Before I
Okay.
observed of the people, they were speaking English. So that time I got
Mm.
to know like English is that much important. I didn't have any idea.
Yeah. Comparing to Hindi, we speak English much. What's the exact place that you visited in South India? Kerala, Tamil Nadu,
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, great.
Everything I have
So,
visited there, Charminar, Ramoji Film City, Statue of Equality, Birla Temple, and Snowfall. Everything, whatever I noticed, everything I visited there. And it was a wonderful city. Like it is clean and greenery everywhere, and weather also it was pleasant.
okay. How do you like to go there? Like using vehicles like train, flight, or bus?
No,
What
ma'am.
kind of vehicles?
Yeah, we cabs.
Okay. So, do you have any questions? Any more questions?
I want to ask you, ma'am. Your English is so much pleasant and wonderful. So I want to ask you, like, how did you improve your communication skill, and how much time did you take to learn this language?
Yeah, I have mentioned in many of my videos to my co-learners. So it was not an easy job that we could acquire the language within a day or night. It would
Yes,
take time.
it's
So
take
we
time.
should be patient to learn a language,
Mhm.
because even for our native language also, we haven't learned within a day. So it would take time, and by listening more and by reading more, even without reading, we can speak by listening.
Mhm.
So I prefer listening more, and I have done a lot of listening and understanding the grammar concepts, because it's a new language. Without grammar we cannot speak.
You are saying correct, ma'am. If you have environment, so there is no need to go for grammatical part. But if you don't have environment, so that time it is necessary. We should learn a grammatical part because like we don't have any idea like where we can use past tense, future tense, present tense. So how we can speak? We should be know helping verbs, first form, second form, third form. About we should have knowledge related to those things. Then we can
Yeah,
speak. Otherwise, we can't speak. Someone is saying there is no need to go for grammatical part. Yeah, we can understand there is no need to go for deeply, but simply we can learn grammatical part. After then, we are able to speak English. Like now I am able to speak English. I didn't have little bit environment. After then, like I learned from grammatical part, and now I am able to speak English.
yeah, because we should have the environment, which means circumstances and compulsion. If we don't have both of that, then we can't. And I mean, we can't speak that language. If we are pushing ourselves to speak that language, learning by ourselves, even we should have a person to converse at least.
Mhm.
Yes, of course, I appreciate the self talk, though many of the people are doing recently.
Yes.
But from my side, I'm not doing that self talk. I'm not capable of doing that self talk. I don't know. Maybe in mind I could do that. So yes, we need a person, and we need the circumstances. At least some people should appreciate us to move forward. Then we could go, at least we could reach some levels. I know that which level I was in prior, and now which level I have crossed, and how many vocabularies I am using in my speech, and how the pronunciation has improved. So I know the difference in me when I started to learn more and listen more.
Mhm. Yes, ma'am. Like if we are going to school, college, there we can get environment. So
Yeah.
that time we can say there is no need to learn from another way like grammatical part. So there is no need to go for it. But if we don't have environment, so that time it is necessary. Like you told me like I belong to South India. So South India, if we are staying there, so some of places we can find this type of people they are speaking English because there is environment. There are lots of companies. People are there getting opportunity for job, so they are doing this type of thing.
Mm-mm. Yes, I agree.
So she was my grandmother, so she don't understand. Like we are taking session.
Yeah, I understand. Even it happens to me. My grandmother won't be understanding what I'm doing, what I'm saying. Maybe she would understand by seeing such words, because most of the words, even in our language, also, we incorporated a lot of words in English. We are not using, the word in tooth for toothpaste or brush, toothbrush, or stove. Many of the words we are using in English,
Yes, and like
right? We say coffee. We say coffee. Coffee is an English word.
sometimes it's happened with me. Like my grandmother used English word. So that time we started like teaching to our like grandparents. Like you are using English word. Wow, where did you learn?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Because of the advertisements that they are watching.
But their pronunciation is totally different sometimes.
Yeah. Because it's a different learning. Like if they are imitating that, then it would come. But they are not imitating that. They are just simply listening that.
Yeah, just
Okay. So for the pronunciation, we need to do a lot of practice.
and before, like when we were in childhood age, so that time we also used to speak like them, like my mother and whatever family member, whatever they are speaking. So we used to speak like this. But now, like I started learning English. That time I got to know, like I used to speak wrong.
Okay. Yeah, I understand. And I can see the book behind you,
Yes, ma'am.
spoken English.
Decoration books. I'm not reading.
Okay. Yeah, I'm also not a
Sometime.
bookworm, but I recently started to, I am just practicing reading recently, because I saw some things like we could get a lot of vocabularies and the sentence pattern in that. Of course, it is not made by, I mean, like made by us. It might be from other authors, like British authors or American authors, whomever it is. But I'm just following the sentences, how they have formed the sentences, and what are the vocabularies that they have used in that, and a lot of vocabularies which is similar to the synonyms. So for example, if we are using important, we also can use the crucial,
Mhm. Vital.
significant, yeah, vital, significant. So a lot of vocabularies we can use, but while we talk, we can't get that properly.
Mhm. Yeah, ma'am, it's
So
happened.
for that, we need to do a lot of practice and a lot of listening.
Ma'am, like when I started learning English, so that time I purchased some of books also that was related to grammatical part and my it was my language, Hindi language. So like Hindi and English both it should be available. So this type of books I purchased. So and I used to watch video also related to like English Guru. I used to follow him. So that books I purchased, you can say like these books are related to him. And so these books I used to study and I used to watch his video, sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it was a wonderful thing that you have started, learning grammar in the previous days. But nowadays you are comfortable, at least you could have, you are understanding the way that the other people speak, right?
Yes, ma'am. Because ma'am, like everything I start from the scratch. I didn't have little bit idea.
Hmm.
How we can use present tense, past tense, future tense because it is more important role in English
Hmm.
tenses.
Yeah, it changes everything. So if we are talking about the present, then we should not use the past word, which means the past verb.
And
So we should be more cautious about that. Then it would change the whole meaning.
yeah, change meaning. Like before, like it was monotonous task for me. When I started
Mm.
speaking English, I used to use present continuous tense a lot, and present tense I used to use. But it was difficult for me using past tense while speaking. I I was not able
Mm.
to use past tense when I'm talking to past tense. So that time I used to use present tense and I noticed also most of like with the lots of student this type of thing it is happening.
Mm. Yeah, usually only one thing is just changing in all the tenses, like the verb and the helping verb.
But
Yeah, so if we are understanding then, I mean, that, then we could easily speak.
Mhm. Yeah, ma'am. Like, if we have completed our old degree, ma'am, your video is just again. Okay. So, like, after 12th, after like our graduation, like we didn't learn tenses. We like after like when I started my English journey,
Yeah.
at that time I got to know. I don't know like what is the tenses. How can I
No,
use
we would have learned that previously in school, but
it?
we were not aware of that.
So totally I forgot. But after then, like I started learning everything from the YouTube. So YouTube helped me a lot. And nowadays ChatGPT is a wonderful application for us. So we are using and whatever we are making mistake, so we can correct within few seconds. So ChatGPT also it is very helpful for us. So nowadays I am thinking there is no need to go for anywhere. If we have YouTube and ChatGPT, we can do everything. We can learn.
Yeah. Yeah, I also realized that thing. So in the beginning stage, I also spent some money to learn if any workshop for 3 hours, 2 hours, or any less amount of the classes providing, then I would take that. But it is completely waste of time and money because they would just teach whatever the schedule, whatever the syllabus that they have. But we won't understand that, right? So what I thought is we have lot of sources available nowadays. A lot of apps are there, a lot of videos in YouTube, and ChatGPT is there. So we could utilize that first. Then, if we want, then we could go for the mentor.
Yes, ma'am. You are saying correct. Like we when we start our speaking journey, so that time we don't have patience. We want to learn this language quickly. But how we can learn this quickly, this language? Because like it will take time. We have to learn lots of things. After then we will be able to speak. And we don't want to speak that time. Like we are thinking, how can I speak? I don't know. But at least we should try because we that time we have fear. Like if I will speak, I we know like I will make mistake a lot. But doing making mistake, we feel fear ourselves. So
Yeah.
I think
Yeah,
it
of
happens with
course.
everyone. So we should not think about mistakes.
Of course, it happens with everyone, and it is like a journey, which means we are traveling from one place to another place. Okay, so the first place we were not aware of. So the next place that we are reaching is the place that we achieved, which means we need to give some time in between that, right? So that is the journey time.
Yes, ma'am. Like everything we are going to do new things. So it would be we will feel difficult. How we can
Yeah.
do first time?
Yes, yes, I agree. Yeah, I think we are running out of time. So, yeah, it was a very wonderful session that we have, but some of the glitches also it interrupts us. But anyway, we had, good time. Okay, so in future, let's see if possible.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Have
you
a
so
good
much, ma'am,
day.
for joining me and for giving your precious time for me. So take care yourself. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.